We're here at the beautiful Donalda Club this morning, where they have an amazing indoor golf simulator of 4 bays. Let's go take a look. Their 4 simulator golf bay here used to be their cart barn, and after years and hundreds of hours of use, you can see that the screens and the room need a bit of an upgrade. So the first thing we did was we removed the side curtains. That allowed us to get a little bit wider space out to a 16:10 ratio for the screen instead of the older 4:3s. Then we replaced the curtains and the ceiling baffles with static panels, which again gave a little bit wider feel to the room, but yet a durable, functional solution that looks really nice. So we had barely finished these rooms before the members were itching to get back in here. And even on the first day, this is one of the things I heard from the members while we were in there.
Reaction's been great. It's such a wet spring. Everyone wants to get outside, but even as the nice days come along, we find our members staying in here and using this new revamped software. Our club champion, even this week, had plans to go outside and play and practice. He chose to spend 10 hours in here instead. The system's been perfect.